Hi there, it's Dr. Fern and you medicine woman are here if you want a life you absolutely love. So communication, we all think we're amazing at communication. I thought I was amazing at communication, but the truth be told that 90% of our problems would probably not be here if we were much better communicators. So I used to think that I was pretty good at communicating, but I had to learn a lot and I'm still finessing this communication skill set. So let me give you a few things that I've learned along the way with communication. The first thing is if you are able to assume good intent, so assume that the person who is communicating with you, be it your partner, be it your friends, be it your patients who are communicating with you, actually has good intent with what they're saying, and don't take it personally, then you will actually find that you won't be so offended. Because what happens with communication is that we filter whatever someone's saying to us through our past beliefs, through our map of the world, through what has happened to us before. And unfortunately, a lot of the time then we jump to conclusions before they even finish their sentence. We have a look at their body language, how they're communicating, and we feel like we're burnt. Particularly, for instance, if maybe you were burnt in the past by a dental nurse and then a new nurse kind of has the same nuance or comment as her, and suddenly that triggers all the feelings of betrayal, and now whatever she's going to say to you, this new nurse, it won't come across as well-meaning, okay? Because we're filtering her communication through a veil of betrayal. So that's the first thing. The second thing with communication is that you want to seek first to understand. Seek first to know what the other person is really, what's their situation, why they're saying what they're saying. Were they having an off morning? Have a patient on the phone who's disgruntled, take a deep breath, and rather than subscribing to the defensive behaviour and then finding that you're in a battle, maybe try to understand what happened to them first, because a lot of the time we don't know what was happening in their world, and unfortunately we just assume that, once again, in our map of the world or in our veil of the world, that it is a certain way. So seek first to understand why someone would say something to you. Was it something that maybe you said that actually triggered them? So a lot of things around communication, and communication is a massive topic. Just a couple of tips there for you today. Of course, I have so much more in the course on communication, but it's a task that you keep on needing to finesse, because you will find that the more you know about communication, the better your communicator you will be, and the less problems you will have, and the more you will actually also inspire other people to communicate better around you. So that's my daily dose of Dr. Fern. If you like what you hear, please share this with all your friends on Facebook, and remember to laugh out loud and don't take things too seriously. Okay, see you soon.